Gold traded bearish yesterday, failed to trade above 2030-32 zone. At the same time, it failed to close below 2018-2020 zone. Yes, it appears to be a great support, as today again it has started from 2020 levels, now trying to rise. So what to expect from gold today? How we can profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators, and towards the end of this update, I will share the trading tip for today. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, do like, share and comment as well. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Let's start first on the hourly chart. See multiple candles getting this support here at 2018-2020 zone. Very strong support. I have mentioned it yesterday. And at the same time, look at 2030, 2032, very strong resistance. Thus, it appears that this $10, we have to be watchful, careful, alert. We should not be taking any trade in between these. Now, if you look at on the upside, it is formed, on the downside, it has formed a very good support and showing a reversal sign, showing second consecutive bullish candle. I will wait for the third candle, as it is also forming narrowing triangle. So yes, flat bottom narrowing triangle, we have to be careful here at around 20 to $30 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with divergence. Possibility of fewer more greener candles exists from the current levels. RSI rising. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. After consolidating for a while, first bullish candle, and in all probability we may see a second bullish candle as well, which may take the prices on the up. Stochastic is rising here, signs of bullishness. MACD is trying to converge, it is stayed bearish, it is trying to converge. A crossover here can lead to bullish momentum. As you can see, what has happened, the drop, retracement, and after this retracement, if it crosses over, certainly the bulls will take over. RSI rising as well. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, reversal sign, second bullish candle. See bearishness getting diminished, reversal, and the second bullish candle here. It has just achieved the median of the Bollinger Bands. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2030-2032 zone. That will be the sign of reversal. See the rise, retracement, and if it gives the breakout now about 2030-32 zone, certainly we can expect 40-42 as the next target, and beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Right now, it is not showing much, whereas 2030-32 is something you should watch out for. That is certainly going to provide excellent resistance for gold on the upside. Stochastic MACD here is on the verge of convergence. It is not yet crossed over. Next candle will decide which direction it wants to take, because see right now it is just crossed over. I will wait for this crossover to happen, and then the next candle will decide the direction. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see most important, look at these candles here. Very important, very strong support. I have mentioned yesterday several times and in previous times also that 2018-2020 certainly is going to provide a very good support, and precisely that has happened. Also, if you look at right now, it is forming lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break beyond 28-32 zone in order to confirm reversal. As long as it stays below 28-32, should be watchful. Stochastic flat, MACD is still in green, trying to diverge. RSI rising, bullish sign it is. Coming to the day, before we look into the daily chart and I share the trading tip of the day, if you want to learn this art, join my mentorship batch 28th, commencing on 29th of January. Limited seats available. Register yourself now. If you want to join the Signals channel, ping me on Telegram or email me. Yes, for any of my services, you can reach out to me via email or Telegram. And yes, visit the platform forexhunter.com. You can also register for the webinar series and book a consultation with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And the consultation is completely free if you're part of our webinar series. Now, visit the platform forexhunter.com. All the links are shared in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel to get the live update. Now, look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, what has happened? Couple of bullish candles. Right now, it is forming lower highs, lower lows. We have to wait for it to break beyond 2030-2032 zone. As long as it stays below this zone, we should not be treating this as bullish. Yes, only about 2032, we can expect that it is trying to rise, and then I will look forward to see 2036 and 2040-42. These are the two levels you should watch out for more carefully. Only about 2042, we can consider this for a reversal. Also, look at the daily charts. What has happened? The rise here, the flag formation, it is still trading in this sideways bearish channel. It has to break out beyond 2060 in order to confirm a bullish rally on the up. So lot many nearby resistances. As long as on the daily charts, as long as gold stays below 2060, 2065, we should not be treating this for a breakout, and we should not be treating this for a rally. This is still trading in the bearish zone. However, on the daily charts, yes, what has happened here, couple of greener candles sideways, and if it stays above 2032, we can expect it to rise more, and possibly we may look forward to 2040, 42 as the next resistance zone. Stochastic rising here, MACD is bearish. It may possibly convert, but right now not showing much of the signs here. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2030, 32 zone and expect it to move towards 2036, and 40, 42 is what I will look forward to. That's going to remain a greater resistance on the upside. Yes, above 2040, 42 is where the bulls will take over. On the downside, the selling entry is only recommended if you see it is staying below 2018 levels, below which you can expect it to drop towards 2014, and then 2008, 2010 is going to be the support level here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Visit the platform forexonda.com or reach out to me via Telegram or email for getting details on any of my services. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.